Hey guys, Kapper here and welcome back. Today's video is the final fabrication segment of this homemade disc chisel plow, which is now a disc chisel plow harrow. So today my buddy Phil is going to come and help me again to fabricate, to put on a 2-foot hydraulic cylinder to the harrow rake that we added in the last episode, so that I can hydraulically from the cab raise and lower the rake harrow behind the chisel plows. So here's a quick look at the very last episode where we left off, and then we'll finish this project. Well, no, it's transport right now, so we're all set. Phil's going to demonstrate how this thing goes. So it's on the trailer right now, but you take it off the trailer. First, you unlatch the safety transport chain. And boom. Booyah. As soon as you go forward, these teeth are all going to lay back, but they're all spring loaded. And then we are going to work on, I love Phil's idea, but we are going to get a wireless winch, a battery winch, and put it up there so that I could actually pull it up and down, so that when you're done with it, just fold it up, put the chain back on, and away you go. Okay, I started out the morning. I ran into town. Even though we got 2 more inches of snow, the roads weren't too terribly bad, and I got the hydraulic hoses made for this cylinder. And of course, they take their time on purpose so that you'll shop and buy more stuff, which I precisely did. I bought more screwdrivers and some more cutting discs. But that was the beginning of the day. So as usual in a fabrication, we had different ideas. So we began to test out different theories on how to put this thing together.
Come on, you dirty. A lot of practice. I haven't had this construction hard.
Yeah, it takes a while to get them started.
Like I said, I've been spoiled here. And I'm certified with a stick, but
Right, on a snowy day, we got the C team, I think, today, right?
that's right.
Phil,
See what we can screw up.
exactly. Curtis, and me. Hey, come on, we got to be at least C+. What do you think? The C+ team.
The Three Stooges.
Well, there you go.
Yeah, who's the ringleader?
Let's get an update here from Felipe. What you working on now?
Tab for the pivot point.
He's going to make a pivot up here. You'll see later on. Man, looks like the front end is on already. Or at least it's tacked on. Alright, so I got Curtis in the Coyote. He's getting used to it. He's saving up to try and get the 66 series, which is basically the same tractor, but it's just one level down. The 6620, I think it is, RX model. Can't wait till he can get one of these. It's going to be great for his business. You can go a little lower yet. There you go. Now we're adjusting our height there for the cradle. And we're looking really good. We're really close. Your cup is still in the Polaris, Curtis.
Let's do wet rock.
Did you measure it and make sure it's exactly centered?
Perfect. Right there. One more rod, please. Yeah, my one buddy teases me. Get that out.
Up some bigger ones. No, that loop's too big.
Yeah. But how much do we want for slack? That's the key right now.
So yeah, we got multiple ways of adjusting it, tweaking it.
It's always a good thing.
Man, I'm wishing we could hook it up, but I don't know that I'm ready to haul it out of here right now.
You gotta pretty it up.
All right, we got it mocked up right now. This should be in the upper position. Plenty of ground clearance, and basically when the day is done, I'll have to manually just lift it just a tiny bit. Just like that to fold it up, and bing, bang, boom, we're out of there. Strong work, Philip. As usual, fantastic work. And we do have a couple adjustment points still that I could tweak it in the field if need be. Beautiful. Okay, so here's the finished product. Special thanks to my buddy Phil. I appreciate all the help. I mean, he's a master, a fabricator with this stuff, and he's a very good welder, electrician, and a lot of other things. So anyways, the finished product is done. Now when I'm in the field using this chisel disc, just have to hit the hydraulic lever. It'll raise this plenty high off of the ground so I can turn around, make U-turns or whatever without putting side pressure on it. And then obviously lower it right back down. So definitely stay tuned for some spring projects. We got some food plotting already lined up and all kinds of other stuff. So appreciate you guys. Best of luck riding out the rest of this winter storm, and we'll see you on the next go around. Thanks a lot.